A library receives book donations over the course of the year. The number of books received each month is listed in the table. Write an expression to model the number of books received by the library. So you could take your data or your numbers and make a table of values. And then from here, once you create your graphic organizer, we're trying to figure out, is it going to be linear, quadratic, or exponential? These two will have a first or second common difference, first common difference, second common difference, and this one is really just multiplying. So let's figure out what we got. Class, how do you go from 2 to 11? You said what? Plus 9. How about 11 to 26? And 26 to 47? And here to there. So here is our first common difference. Common means the same. Class, did we have the same number here? No, so it's not linear. It's not linear because the difference is not the same or common. Let's try for a second common difference and figure out if it's quadratic. 9 to 15? Here? And here. So it is quadratic. It is quadratic because I have a second common difference. Now, I don't have directions at the top of my page, so you have to go to the previous one. And it tells us, write an expression to represent each pattern. Now, we haven't spent much time on this, so quadratics are in standard form. And to find the A value, you're going to use a formula. And the formula you're going to use for the A value is the common difference divided by 2. You're going to take this common difference. What was our common difference? 6 and divide it by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So A is equal to 3. To find the C value, you're going to have to use the table. So A is a formula. C, use the table. And in the table, you're going to have to work backwards till you get 0. Question: what number can we put in here so that if I add, what's the next number here? Plus what? 3. Do you see it? 3, 9, 15, 21, 27. The numbers are counting by 6s. So notice I'm going from 3 to 9 is adding 6, or another way of thinking about it is you're going backwards, you're subtracting 6. Okay, so this number plus 3 equals 2. What number is that going to be? -1. -1 plus 3 gives me 2. So when you have 0, -1, this is an order pair. This is our y-intercept. This is your C value. So I'm going to put in -1. In this problem, I'm just going to tell you that there is no B value. How would you find the B value? You would pick one of these order pairs. Let me zoom ahead and think ahead to... let me show you guys how to find the B value. To find the B value, you're going to have to pick an order pair. Everyone say order pair. X, Y. I'm going to do it over here. I'm going to do it down here. So I have y equals 3x squared plus bx minus 1. And the order pair you can pick is any order pair you want, because this is really an x, write that, x, and a y, write that. This is an order pair, right, x comma y. And so you can pick any order pair you want. I'm going to pick this one, 1, 2. And you might be asking, why did you pick that one, Mr. Ng? And the reason why is the numbers are smaller. It says to pick every x value, you're going to put 1. And every y value, you're going to put what? 2. So I have 3 times x squared plus b minus 1.
We are now conducting a level 3 lockdown drill. Please follow all procedures, including taking attendance, securing your doors, and following all lockdown protocols. I repeat, we are now conducting a level 3 lockdown drill. Please follow all procedures, including taking attendance, securing your doors, and following all lockdown protocols. This is only a drill. I repeat, this is only a drill.
Thank you, Mr. Koo. And here, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to simplify for the b value. Here I'm going to use PEMDAS. So x runs first. Class, what's 1 squared? 1 times 3. 1 times b is just b minus 1. Class, what is 3 and a negative 1? So I have 2 plus b. And if I subtract 2, b is equal to 0. Okay, what does that tell us? So if I go back here, in green, we just found, if I put 0 back here, I get y equals 3x squared minus 1. That's the answer. So to review, a value. Now, someone asked me, do I have to do all that work? We only have to do it for quadratics. Okay, how do I know it's a quadratic? Second common difference. This is my a value. I didn't highlight that over here. This is my common difference. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. That's how you find your a value. Your c value, work on the table. And then your b value, you have to pick an order pair. And I got 0, so this is our answer.